Ladies and gentlemen, focusing everyone's attention to our staircase entranceway, as it gives me great honor and pleasure to introduce to you our newlyweds. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. and Mrs. Michael LaVito! We'll be sharing their very first dance together. So at this time, if we can have our lucky groom escort his lovely bride to the center of our dance floor. Ladies and gentlemen, as they're going to share their very special dance to a song entitled Cowboys and Angels. We could give them a round of applause. What do you say? A huge round of applause. Doing a great job out there on the dance floor. We're going to take this special opportunity to slow things down, letting everyone catch their breath out there on the dance floor. Gentlemen, escort your lovely ladies. Your dance floor is now open for some slow dancing at this time.
And now we're on film.
What's going on, guys? Dimitri here, MC and DJ for Magic Moments Productions. We're here at the very beautiful Venetian for the wedding reception of Michael and Stephanie. Now, ladies and gentlemen, looks like we got a great crowd on hand tonight. Everyone's dancing. They're having a great time. Come on, let's check it out.